Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Cosmosphere is probably one of the most sought-after items in the beauty industry right now, and for good reason. Its innovative formula and stunning results have captivated users worldwide, promising a transformative experience that goes beyond mere makeup application. If you're looking to elevate your beauty routine and achieve that coveted radiant glow, this might just be the game changer you've been waiting for, offering a unique blend of science and artistry to enhance your natural features. Number 5. AeroGarden Harvest Indoor Garden. Enjoy abundant harvests year-round with this indoor hydroponic system. It grows your favorite vegetables, herbs, or flowers in water, without the mess of soil. This compact countertop garden allows you to grow 6 different live plants at once. They can grow up to 12 inches tall in its spacious design. Our full-spectrum LED grow light mimics natural sunlight. It helps plants germinate up to 5 times faster than they would in soil. The touch-sensitive control panel reminds you when to add water and plant food. This makes for a simplified, worry-free gardening experience. This system comes with a 20W LED grow light, power adapter, and liquid plant food. It also includes a gourmet herb seed pod kit with popular herbs. What we like? Enjoy fresh herbs and vegetables year-round with this indoor garden. It simplifies the process, making it perfect for beginners or those with limited space. If you want to bring a touch of nature indoors and enjoy the taste of homegrown produce without the hassle, this is the system for you. What people say. This thing is great. It does everything it says and more, is easy to use, and will give me fresh greens all winter. Almost zero work. Top off the water every now and then and add 2 capfuls of plant food every 2 weeks when the light goes on. The LED grow lights are bright but not harsh, and they seem to provide the perfect amount of light for the plants to thrive. Number 4. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro Standard Combo. Introducing the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, your ultimate companion for capturing every adventure. This powerful action camera is designed to bring your experiences to life with stunning clarity and stability. Don't let the dark stop you. With its advanced 1.3 sensor, it excels in low-light conditions, perfect for capturing those thrilling nighttime rides or urban explorations. Stay focused on the action with its enhanced subject tracking capabilities. Powered by a 4nm chip, it ensures fast and reliable framing, keeping your subjects perfectly centered no matter how quickly they move. Go hands-free and capture the moment effortlessly. With voice commands always ready, you can easily control it from up to 1 meter away, ensuring you never miss a beat. Keep recording for longer with an impressive battery life of up to 4 hours. It's built for all-day use, ensuring continuous performance for any scenario you throw at it. Experience vibrant, true-to-life colors on its dual OLED touchscreens. Enjoy crisp viewing and easy control, making outdoor recording and reviewing your footage a joy. Achieve incredibly steady and high-quality footage with 360 degrees horizon steady. It's perfect for vlogging or capturing dynamic sports, providing smooth visuals from any angle, even in the most demanding situations. What we like? Capture incredible action shots, even in challenging lighting conditions. Its advanced tracking ensures your subject stays in focus, and voice control keeps your hands free. If you're an adventurer, athlete, or vlogger who needs reliable, high-quality footage on the go, this camera is your perfect companion. What people say. The video quality is stunning. Crisp 4K footage with vibrant colors and excellent stabilization, even when I'm hiking or recording from my drone setup. The horizon balancing is buttery smooth and gives everything a cinematic feel. Battery life is also impressive for how powerful this camera is. I can record multiple clips throughout the day without constantly worrying about charging. The touchscreen is bright and responsive, even under direct sunlight, and the magnetic quick-release system makes it super easy to switch mounts or angles in seconds. Number 3. Osmo Pizza Company. Educational game. Great news! Osmo is under new ownership as of 2026, and this educational game is fully accessible with customer service included. Experience the magic of learning with this award-winning game. It brings physical game pieces to life on your tablet, no Wi-Fi needed for gameplay. Serve customers, handle payments, and learn about business profitability. This game teaches addition, subtraction, fractions, and essential communication skills. Develop real-world business math, money management, and critical thinking. It also enhances social interaction and problem-solving abilities through interactive play. Designed for ages 5-12+, this game adapts to beginner to expert levels. Real-time feedback allows for stress-free learning and experimentation. Inside the box, you'll find pizza and topping pieces, money tiles, and a storage solution for the game pieces, along with the Pizza Company app. What we like? This game makes learning math and business skills fun and engaging for kids. They'll practice making change, managing money, and understanding profitability through interactive play. If you're looking for an educational toy that teaches practical life skills in an enjoyable way, this is an excellent choice for children aged 5 to 12. What people say. It has the perfect combination of fun and learning, without even realizing he's learning. You can set the mode to only make pizzas, or to make pizzas along with having to give customers change. Then, you can control whether you want to use coins or just dollars, and if you are using coins, which coins you want to be included in the change. It's a fun concept of working out the visual logic of object placement and reading the emotional and vocal cues of the customers, and then working out the math of the money they pay versus the amount of change they are due. There are several levels of difficulty, from whole numbers down to cents. It's fantastic. It's a great way to introduce money, making change, time management, and investing money into a business. It's also a great way to teach children to interpret what a customer wants and read their expressions. The pieces are thick for little hands to easily grab and will hold up to long-term use. The storage container makes it easy to organize and keep track of the pieces. Number 2. Osmo Little Genius Starter Kit for Fire Tablet. Introducing the Osmo Little Genius Starter Kit, designed to make learning fun for your child. It combines physical play pieces with a Fire tablet for an interactive experience. Watch as their actions with physical game pieces come to life on screen. This magical learning tool requires no Wi-Fi for gameplay, offering endless entertainment. This kit focuses on crucial early skills like letter formation, phonics, and vocabulary. It also encourages creativity and problem-solving through engaging games. Perfect for children aged 3 to 5, it provides a stress-free environment for experimentation and learning. Real-time feedback helps them grasp new concepts quickly. The kit includes everything needed to start, such as the Osmo base, reflector, costume pieces, and silicone sticks and rings for forming letters and numbers. For exciting game apps are also included. This kit is compatible with specific Fire HD 8 and Fire HD 10 tablet models. Please check the compatibility list to ensure it works with your device. What we like? Designed for the youngest learners, this kit introduces foundational skills like phonics, counting, and shapes through play. It encourages creativity and helps develop fine motor skills. If you have a preschooler and want to give them a head start in a fun, interactive, and stress-free environment, this is the perfect educational tool. What people say. The Cosmosphere features a unique dual-action filtration system that effectively removes both airborne particles and odors. Its sleek, modern design complements any home decor, and the quiet operation ensures it won't be a distraction. The intuitive touch controls make it easy to adjust settings, and the built-in timer offers convenient operation. Number 1. DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo. This device is pocket-sized and portable. It starts in seconds to capture stunning videos anywhere you go. Effortlessly track your subjects even during quick movements. It ensures they always stay in frame. Capture everything with 4K 60 frames per second video and 64MP photos. Its 3-axis stabilization keeps footage stable, clear, and detailed. Say goodbye to bad selfies and start shooting amazing vlogs. It features a wide 93 degrees FOV and 20mm focal length. Get inspired with a variety of templates and automatic editing tools. Amazing videos are at your fingertips. What we like? Capture professional quality videos and photos with ultimate portability. Its intelligent tracking keeps your subject in frame, and the high-resolution recording ensures stunning detail. If you're a vlogger, traveler, or content creator who needs a compact camera that delivers exceptional results without compromising on ease of use, this is the ideal device. What people say. The Cosmosphere is a fantastic addition to any home planetarium setup, offering unparalleled clarity and brightness. Its intuitive controls make navigating the celestial sphere a breeze, even for beginners. The detailed star projections are incredibly accurate, bringing the night sky to life right in your living room. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.